Hi everybody. Today we are going to talk about different ways we can measure things. And in kindergarten, many times we measure things to see how long or how short they are. So, first of all, if we look at this picture, we see two vases, and the first one is shorter than this one. Next, we see two rectangles. And when we look at these two rectangles, we can say this rectangle is longer than this rectangle. And sometimes the objects or the pictures are the same. So here we have two candles, and these two candles are the same. One is not longer than the other. And here's another example with a picture of two birdhouses. Both of these birdhouses are the same. One is not shorter than the other. Now today, we are going to be using our cubes to do some measuring. Now, if you don't have cubes at home, that's okay. Maybe you have Legos or blocks you can use. But the most important thing to do when you're measuring with Legos or other kind of blocks is to make sure they're the same size, okay? All right, so let's start off with a glue stick. Let's see how many cubes a glue stick is. Oh, too tall, so I'm going to take a cube off. Now they are the same. So the glue stick is 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes tall. Okay, let's get another thing. Let's try my cell phone. Here are the 4 cubes. Well, that is not going to work. So let me add a few more cubes to it. I'm going to add 1. I'm going to add 4. Okay, let's see how this works. So I'm going to hold them up to the side, and I could see that I added a little bit too many cubes. So I need to take 1 cube away. So when I hold it up to the phone, they are the same. So let's count the cubes together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The cell phone is 7 cubes tall. All right, let's try another one. Here's one of our markers. Oh, how many should I take away? That's right, I'm going to take away 1. And let's count the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The marker is 6 cubes tall. And let's try one more. Let's try my glasses. So for my glasses, we're going to measure from this tip to that tip, okay? So I'm going to put the cubes down here, and how many more cubes do you think I need to add? Let's try 1. Okay, that looks like it would work. Let's count the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My glasses are 7 cubes tall. Now, another way we can measure things is weighing them. Now, I know when you go to your doctor for your checkup, they usually have you stand on a scale to see how much you've grown. And sometimes at our houses, we have scales that we could step on to see how much we weigh. But today, we are going to use this scale. This is called a balance scale. And when things weigh the same, the balance scale kind of looks like a table. But when two different things weigh different weights, the thing that is heavier makes the scale go down, and the lighter object stays at the top. So we're going to try a few things. Okay, I'm going to hold it so you can see. First, let me put it down. I think this would be better. And I'll move our camera this way. Okay. Now we can see the balance scale better. Okay. Hopefully. There it is. Okay. Now we're ready. So, first thing I'm going to get is some cubes. And I happen to have two different sets of cubes. I have this one, and I have one that's a bit longer. So, I am going to put this one over here. Whoops. I'm going to break them apart. I think it would be better if they fit like that. So we can see that they're heavy. Now I'm going to get my other set of cubes and put them up here. So the scale did not move at all. This side is heavier and this side is lighter. Now let's see what happens if I take one of these off. Uh-oh. Now we can see that there are more cubes on this side, so it is heavier, and this side is lighter. Now I'm going to take the cubes off, and this time we are going to use some other objects besides cubes. So, first, I have a pack of gum. There's some gum in there. It's not all the way full. And next, I have a pack of tissues. So, which one do you think is going to be heavier? The pack of gum, not quite full, or the tissues? All right, let's see what happens. I am going to put the tissues on this side, and it goes down because there's nothing over here yet. So obviously it's heavier. Now I'm going to get the gum. Whoa. And we can see that the gum is heavier because the balance scale is lower where the gum is. So we'll take those off. So today, boys and girls, we just talked a little bit about measuring things for length to see what is longer and shorter, and also weighing things to see what is heavier. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.